Hey there, so this is the timeline for our Notion CRM onboarding. Every project has a few different things that go into it, but there is a standard timeline that we use for every project. So that timeline is a business audit where we go into a centralized workspace where we integrate those systems and provide transition support. The overall framework is about a 90-day timeline. We can usually do it in quicker because we have a good team, but we put a 90-day timeline so that we have enough time to do a business audit so we're not building out processes that don't work. We have enough time to put in that centralized workspace and get your feedback so you like it in the end. And we integrate your system, so if you're using QuickBooks or whatever outside tool that you need to connect, we can do that right inside Notion as well. We train your team, and then we provide transition support with 6 months additional support on the back end of this. So timeline is pretty cool where you can kind of set up the timeline view for what we're going to be doing for you. And I went ahead and broke it into different sections. So the business audit is made up of a project kickoff meeting where we break down the tools, provide a follow-up meeting, finalize the report so that you guys have an overview of what's going on, present that report, and finalize the workspace plans so that when we get into the actual workspace creation, everybody knows what they're going to be doing. We can plan better to put it all together in the way that you need. So we create that CRM, provide that feedback call, and then set up everything on the back end. After that, we do systems integration where we migrate you from your existing CRM, sync any scheduling tools that you have, sync any suppliers if this was a trades-based program or project. We implement any automatic reviews so that you don't have to do all that follow-up because nobody likes all that redundant manual admin work. Just set it up automatically, do it. We're in the future, we're in 2025. So go ahead and do that, and then we test the systems, present the workspace, and do any final revisions for you so that it's how you imagine. Then we move over to team training where we have different training materials. Depending on what we do, we create that, deliver it to you so you have hands-on training on top of the standard training that we provide. Build out SOPs, deliver those SOPs so everybody knows what they're doing for the future. Then we do transition support with hands-on support the entire time, do some monitoring of live systems, refine the systems based on what we see, deliver the final documentation, wrap up the project, and hand it off to you guys so that you're off not worrying about your tools. It's perfectly as you want it, and you get on with your day making business like we know you can. This is the standard onboarding for our Notion CRM. Wanted to make sure that you saw this, help put it all together, and yeah, this is what we do on a standard basis. If you needed any other systems integrated or wanted anything in your workspace, it is about a 90-day program with our team, and we can pretty much fit whatever need you need and get on with our day. So this is our business as Notion providers. Feel free to reach out. Let's set up a discovery call, see how we can help you.